Hello, this is Josh Burns, and today I'm going to be showing my students how to post a hyperlink. I will bring this website up and I'm going to title it How to Post a Hyperlink. And I'm going to go down to the next page. I'm going to add a title, which would be, I take this website right here and I right clicked on it just to copy it. And I'd minimize this back down where I can add my title and right click here, and what I want to do here is go down and paste it. And once I pasted it, I want to edit the name of it. So once again, I right click on it and I go down to the hyperlink where it brings the little drag bar up, and I just edit it. And I'm just going to name the actual link the website itself, just Prezi. Just make it simple. Okay, and then here you have your link. So I would right click again and I'll go back down to my hyperlink, and this time I would like to open it. Just click open hyperlink and it brings up my website. Thank you.